Pride Squad, what's good, man? Oh, I got my boy KP, Marvin the Martian theme. That's what it is, Marvin the Martian theme. All right, so he's gonna be swapping out that baby ass spoiler for the regular spoiler. Y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all as soon as we get over Key's house. All right, peace. Oh, you gonna see dude coming, KP that's coming up here? He got a white child. He got
his out to this side.
Yeah, he's changing his out to this size here.
Okay.
So you'll see it's a real baby spoiler.
Yeah, it's small. It's like pretty much flat.
I destroyed mine. I didn't destroy it, but I chunked it when I pulled it off though.
You destroyed
the one he got on his car is different from this one, right? He about to put this one on his car.
Yeah, he about to put one like this on his car.
Okay. So the one he got on his car now is a baby one?
Yeah, I call it a baby spoiler. It's a real small, I don't know why they even did it. What up?
Yeah, you good?
Okay, P done showed up.
Yeah, you back in.
So you put a black stripe down the middle. Okay, that's new.
Hey, that's new.
That's new.
Look good, too.
With the green on the outside. Okay, all right. I see you. And I got to get that shark fin put on.
You love my channel tonight.
Yes, sir.
See, bro. Gang. What's up, man?
What's good, bro?
What up with you?
West, man.
Good, Christian.
All right, nice to meet you, bro.
What's good, man?
What's good with you, man? All right.
That thing look good.
I appreciate
Yeah, man, you don't put the stripes up there, I see. Let me take a look at this real quick.
it. Yeah, I did. I went to the one right there on Fairmount Road.
Nah, this ain't mine. All right.
I don't care
Put
about
a
how
stripe on there. That's what I want to know. When you put a stripe on there?
I did it 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks? Did you do it yourself?
Nah, I put it in the shop. I put it in the shop. While I was on the road, I just, had them come do it. I don't know if y'all heard of them. It's called Family First Customs.
Family First, where they at?
I think he's near Covington, somewhere around there.
Covington. Nah, I ain't been out
Yeah,
there.
somewhere around there.
That's what's up, man. That thing looks good. Keeping that green theme, I see that.
Oh, yeah, man.
That's clean. I like, he got the Dodge stripe across the front too. On the windshield, yeah. That's all right.
Still working on it. Trying to think about if I'm gonna redo them calibers.
Oh, we're gonna redo them?
Yeah. Green don't match. I had all that stuff done before I got there, so
Clean, huh? Clean. Yes, sir. Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, you definitely taking care of it, man. I can see that.
Tell me.
I got to get another RT symbol, man. Mine is not quite as bright as y'all's. It's a little faded.
I'm faded too now.
Shit, that's nice, man.
Yeah. I like this straight.
Yeah. It's good to have some type of contrast going.
Plus, I didn't want the 2 stripes because I know everybody trying to do 2 stripes.
Everybody trying, yeah.
Do just a single matte black.
Yeah.
Throw the pinstripes on it.
There you
I ain't
go.
seen nobody with pinstripes. You know
Right.
what I'm
They
saying?
look better that way, though.
Yeah, so I said, we put my own taste on it.
Yeah, it definitely do. All right, so you trying to swap out your,
Yeah, I
trying to
can't
swap
even
out
call
the
it,
spoiler.
Yeah,
Y'all remember this spoiler right here?
that little baby thing, man.
Y'all go out and ride.
I feel you. So you got, so what is it, matte black?
Yep.
Bet. All right, cool. Yeah, we can swap that out. That ain't gonna take nothing, especially since you don't have a camera. You ain't got to drill no holes. It just go straight in the holes that's already there. Yeah, we can pull it out. I'll pop your trunk real quick. You don't mind? All right, so y'all, it's been a long time since I did this, but if I remember correctly, I think we had to pull this off. Right now, we're gonna take a look at this. So what made you choose the one without the backup camera instead of getting the one with the camera?
I didn't really have time to call. Or yours from Dodge?
I did not. I got it from Steve White Motors. Steve White.
So I kind of just forgot, and I had already had this one saved on eBay.
Yeah.
So I was like,
but it's already black.
Yeah, so it was like, and it was only $50.
No, mine down here.
All right.
And it was like $50. So I was like,
Oh yeah, okay. Well, yeah.
That's why that's what I was saying. And then I save up for the $500 with the camera in it. So I was like, hey, I do what I gotta do first.
Good look, man. Bro, these spoilers be looking huge when they ain't on the car.
They do. They really do.
I swear it do.
They looking huge.
Nah, it ain't as big as that front clip though.
Nah.
That all the way up front.
Yeah, that thing like 8 feet tall, bro. That thing is huge.
I had to stretch it through the whole car to get in there.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to catch up with y'all boys, man. Y'all leave me behind out here. I feel left behind, man.
Hey, man. It's a slow process. It's a slow process, bro.
It's a slow process, bro. It is a slow process. Shit, I think we burned it. Neither one of us had rims.
Nah, we still stock.
We was there, yeah, pretty much all
Still
stock.
stock, all stock. Damn, that mat look good, boy. That look real nice. Real quick. Yeah, so you just really got this one hole in the middle. Yeah, you just got that one connection in the middle right there. And then 2 on the outside. And put that double-sided tape on. Just kind of secure it a little bit more, yeah. Nah, they don't give you no instructions. They say you got YouTube for that. Professional install recommended. We're gonna work it out though. We're gonna work it out. Exactly.
Wasn't come with it, bro.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, I'm about to say.
Most most challenges do.
Put it on there already.
Because they want you to pay for it.
Man, that's some bull crap.
So yours already wired. There you go, right there. That's the connection.
Yeah, but you have to install it with the activated through the taser.
Activated through the taser. Yeah.
We both got tasers.
Both got
Could have
tasers.
got you on that.
I'm telling you, boy. It's the only thing.
Yeah, like I said,
I got this part taken off.
It's a Hellcat, man.
Oh, you mean because they ain't got the dip in it?
Yeah, they got the dip in it.
I don't know, bro. I mean, did it confirm the fitment for you?
No, it should be the same.
Or maybe this is like that because it's not the one with the camera. All right, so we got this taken off here. So we're gonna pop these pins out. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's hard to see it, but anyway, we're gonna snatch this thing off and get back with y'all in a minute. All right, got the spoiler off. Yeah, here come the fun part, cleaning it. Yeah, this took some, if I remember correctly, this took some time.
Yeah.
It definitely took some time. So I'm gonna clean this up. We're gonna come back with y'all.
Wipe it down with the rag, yeah.
Alright, we done wiped it down. It's clean. Pretty sure you ain't gonna be able to see none of this when you put the other spoiler on. This one in here is gonna be, that one might be kind of tough. Let me look under this hood real quick. So I guess we'll definitely go there. Probably had to go through this one. How we gonna get through this middle one here though? We got to screw from the bottom up into the spoiler. Yeah. So we got to go in. We got to go in to screw into the spoiler. That middle one might be a little tricky. So we done pull the spoiler off and we got the pads going on along the bottom. So now, you know what I'm saying, we just got to screw this on. We'll be good to go. Well, brief summary of what's going on, y'all.
Right here though. This right here can fix that though.
We got this spoiler screwed in on the bottom here.
Or no. Technically we could.
We got it screwed in on this side. But apparently the one screw for the spoiler in the center does not line up with the car itself. So now we're trying to figure out if it's a way to get something to hold it down in the middle.
We can drill.
All right, y'all. So after a very eventful install on the spoiler, it is on. It is on. Boy, got the matte black spoiler now. No more baby spoiler. I don't know if you want to do with yours like I did with mine.
No more baby spoiler. No more.
I tossed mine. That was the intro to my video for my spoiler. First thing they saw, that bitch flying off.
Right. You took that moment.
Toss it like I think this is. So that's it for that. Good on that. We got another project. Taking off these lip guards. I'm gonna go on and paint these, y'all. This time though, I'm doing plastic dip. I'm not doing paint. I'm gonna plastic dip on this time with white. I got white plastic dip right here. I'm going plastic dip on, put like 4 or 5 coats on, slap them back on. Alright, but now I'm gonna spray these. Now the last thing I gotta do is throw these back on, which I think I'm done with that. I don't think I'm gonna, I ain't gonna put no more up there. Yeah, it's I'm gonna spray the shit out of it, man.
I would kept hitting until we got 10.
I was that last coat I thought did it, man, but I might have to try it again. I don't know. This one right here looking a lot better than that one. I'm gonna have to keep playing around with it.
Think about it, the more you got on there, the longer this depth on
It'll
there.
last. Okay, yeah.
Also, just hit the areas where it's low.
Okay. I know some of y'all against these right here, but y'all be dogging me out in the comments for having them, but then I be seeing y'all rolling around with them. Make your mind up. Which one is it?
They don't even know.
They don't even know. Alright, so we got KP's car taken care of. Got the new spoiler on that. That's looking right, looking tight. It's looking real good. Keith, he cleaned his up earlier. So his looking real good too. Oh yeah, that's dope. Oh yeah. So I'm going to slap these back on. Alright, so y'all know where to follow Keith at. Now I'm gonna take KB, tell them where they can follow you at, man, so they can follow your build too.
IG, follow me on either the Car Club page, which is iCatchersCC, or you can follow my personal page at Mr.Reels345.
If you're on IG, you know where to follow me at JRTProductions3, J_Rox3 on Snapchat, Facebook, JRTProductions. But anyway, y'all enjoy this footage, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll holler at y'all in the next one, alright? Peace. What do you think? Should I?
Yeah, I can do like Catacorner or something.
Catacorner?
Yeah, I can do mine same angle.
Oh, okay. Alright, y'all, so man, we out here on this beautiful Saturday evening after doing these installs. I hope y'all want to check that video out. But we just get some shots, man. Y'all see this beautiful mirror behind us. So we lining them up, just trying to see what we can do. Got my boy Keith out here, KP over there with the Marvin and Martian. And we got a 392 Charger out here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. It don't take a whole lot. Just be any kind of way.